Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello there, welcome. Mr. Bonan is here. Today, we will discuss about set notation and language. Now, before, let us discuss about the logic puzzles as the fundamental of set notation and language. Now, here is the example. Rana, Tony, and Millie are sisters. Now, you need to conclude which sister is 9 years old, which one is 12, and which one is 14. You have two clues. Tony's age is not in the 4 timetables. Millie's age can be divided exactly by the number of days in a week. Okay, now, the first clue. Okay, Tony's age is not in the 4 times table. It means that we can cross 12 years at Tony's section. Okay, Tony's, what do we call this? Row. Okay, this one. Okay, then, okay, Millie's age can be divided exactly by the number of days in a week. Well, as we can see that among these numbers, okay, numbers that can be divided exactly in days of a week is 14. So we can point on 14 years on Millie directly, like this. Boom, boom. Now, in this case, that we may deduce that it is impossible for Millie for 9 years and also 12 years. Impossible. Because there's impossible for a person who has 2 ages, right? Now, okay, this one, at this step, okay, we found that since that Tony is not 12, Millie is not 12, so there's one possibility that who has 12 years? It's Rana. Then finally we can find all of the ages of Rana, Tony, and Millie. And the answer is Tony is 9 years old, Rana is 12 years old, and Millie is 14 years old. That's it. Now, next example. In Baker's Row, there are 4 houses, each numbered 1, 2, 3, or 4. The following people live in Baker's Row, 1 in each house. Ted, Alice, Ernie, and Gita. Now, use these clues to find out who lives in which house using the logic table below. Okay, this is the logic table. Okay, sorry, I haven't this one. Okay, I'm gonna erase this first. I'm going to explain from the beginning. This one. Now, clue number 1. Okay, the number of Ted's house is an even number. So it means that it is impossible for Ted in odd. Okay, you cross this because if we checklist this, we still have 2 possibilities. Now, clue number 2, the number of Ernie's house is an odd number. Also, it means that it is impossible for Ernie to be here or here. Now, the number of Alice's house is greater than the number of Ted's house. So it means it is impossible for Ted to be here, right? One possibility is this. And also this one, we can deduce this one, we can eliminate this one. Next, the number of Gita's house is less than the numbers of Ernie's house. Okay, Gita's house is less. We have 2 Ernie. Okay, 2 possibilities for Ernie. So it means we have Gita in here. We have Ernie here. So it's possible Ernie to be here, impossible to be here, impossible to be here, and this one also. Okay, this one also, and Alice and this place. Okay, now another example. Okay, sorry, because for this, okay, I haven't erased this. Sorry. Now this one. There are 4 children, Ali, Muhammad, Deepak, and Nasima in a family. They are 6, 8, 11, and 14 years old. Use these clues and the table to find out the age of each child. Deepak is 3 years older than Ali. Okay, Deepak is 3 years older than Ali. So it means Deepak can be 6, right? And Ali, let's see, Ali, 3 years older. Okay, this, okay, Ali. Now let's find a combination a number which has 3 as a difference. Okay, now how about this? 8, 6 and 8 cannot. This and this. Oh, still, because the difference is 3. We still cannot conclude which one is 1. Now, Mohammed is older than Deepak. Okay, so, well, it's obvious. Okay, so Muhammad is older than Deepak. Deepak is 3 years older. Okay, so this is Muhammad. Okay. Deepak is 3 years older than Ali. So this is Deepak. And this is Ali. So who's the younger? It's Nesima then. Okay. Right. Well, you may cross this. Okay, this one, and this one. Okay, that's for the logic. Now let's continue with this two-way tables. Now today, in this case, we extend the ideas of the first section. Now, let's check this out. For example, Emma collected information about the cats and dogs that the children in her class have. She filled in the table below, but missed out one number. What should Emma do to do this? Now, this one, okay. Thus, there are 30 children, this one, in Emma's class. Okay. It means that each one has one entry in the complete table, as there are already 12, 8, and 4. So we find the sum of all of this. 8 plus 12 plus 4 equal to 24. Now the missing number, 30 minus 24. Easy for you. Now this one. How many children at least one of these pets? Now, at least one of these pets means children must have cat only, dog only, or cat and dog. Now, so it means that we can eliminate this. Now, what's number behind this, and this? 30 minus 6. Because we have 30 children, right? In the classroom. See? Now, okay, do more children own cats rather than dogs? Okay. Now, this one. These cells, okay, this column belongs to dog. 8 and 12, 20. Now, this row belongs to cats. 8 and 4 become 12. Now, from this information that we can conclude that it is not, okay? It is that the dog owner is rather than cat's owner. Something like that. Another, this one. Could it be true that some of the children do not have any pets? Well, we cannot say that. Perhaps some children has rabbit, hamster, or iguana, perhaps, or budgie, the bird. Okay, so we cannot deduce it. Another examples like this. Okay, my God. I'm going to erase this first. I'm going to repeat one by one. Now, this one. During one month, exactly half of the 180 babies born in hospital were boys, and 40 of the babies weighed 4 kilograms or more. Okay, so we can put 40 in here. There were 26 baby boys who weighed 4 kilograms or more. Oh, 26 in here. Okay. Half of the 180 equal, it means this is equal to 90. This is also equal to 90. Now let's see. Boys, this one, 90 minus 26 equal to 64. Meanwhile, this, okay, 40 minus 26 equal to 14. Now, how can we find this? Easy. Okay. Total baby 180 minus 64 minus 26 minus 14 equal to 70. 70 what? 76 baby girls. That's it. Okay. Next question. Okay, now, in a class of 32 pupils, there were 8 girls who played hockey and 5 boys who did not. Find how many boys played hockey if there were 15 girls in the class. Okay. Boys equal to 32 pupils minus 15 pupils equal to 17 pupils for boys. Now, boys did not, who did not play hockey, 17 pupils minus C, 5 boys who did not. Okay, wait. Oh, played hockey. Sorry. Okay. Who boys played? 17 minus 5 pupils equal to 12 pupils. Okay, that's it. That is the end of our session. Thank you very much. Okay, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always be with us. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'll see you soon.